Hello everyone, welcome back with the FreeCAD basic tutorial how to change units. For example, in here I will create a simple sketch. You can click here, create new, and I will change into part design. The next you can create body, create sketch, choose a top plane, and click OK. In here I will create a rectangle object, and I will set a dimension in horizontal. I will set into 40 millimeter. And then for vertical in here we can set into 30 millimeter. So we have this unit in millimeter as the default, and if you want to change this unit into inch, you can click edit menu, click preference. The next you can click unit tab. In here for unit system you can change into inch, like in here imperial decimal. You also can change for number decimal in here. If you done, you can click apply and OK. So the drawings will be changed into inch in unit. You can see in here. To change again into another unit, you can click edit, click preference, click unit tab, and then you can change like default into millimeter. Click apply and OK. So to be changed back again into millimeter. Okay, that's it. How to change units in FreeCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.